Hello from Kobo Writing Life. Here's a quick tutorial on how you can upload your audiobook directly through Kobo Writing Life. First, you'll need to reach out to our team so that we can enable audiobook publishing on your account. You can do this via our Help Center, which we'll include in the description of this video. Log into your account and click on the Audiobook tab, and then click the red Create New Audiobook button. First, describe your audiobook. Enter the title, subtitle, series information, and contributors. You can click on the drop-down menu to select the type of contributor. You can easily add another contributor by clicking here. Then you can enter your synopsis or blurb. Next, enter your publisher name and imprint if you have one. Your publication date is when your book was first published. If you don't select a publication date, we will use the date your book is published. Release date is when your book becomes available for our customers to purchase. If you choose a release date in the future, your book will automatically become available as a pre-order. There is no limitation to pre-order dates. You can set a date as far ahead as you like. If you have an audio ISBN, enter it here. If not, don't worry. We will assign you a Kobo ISBN. Select the language of your audiobook and whether the content is abridged or unabridged. You can select up to 3 categories. Upload your cover image by dragging and dropping your image here, or by directly uploading it from your device. Your image should be square, but if it isn't square, don't worry, we'll convert it for you. Upload your audio files by dragging and dropping the files here, or by directly uploading them. Once your files have been completely uploaded, you can then start to make your table of contents. The table of contents organizes your audiobook to make sure it's in reading order, and it's what customers use to navigate your audiobook when reading. You can move the files up and down to ensure they are in the correct order and provide the chapter titles for your files. You can add the chapter title under the Name of Content section. You can also listen to the file to confirm you have given the correct chapter heading. Finally, you can choose the geographic rights for your audiobook and set the price. Once all steps have been completed, it's time to hit publish. If you've missed any steps, you'll receive an error message. Otherwise, your audiobook is in good hands and has been sent for processing. It will be available on the Kobo store in 24 to 72 hours. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, reach out to our team via the Help Center. You can find the link in the video description. Happy writing!